Data is a distribution company. We work with thousands of different partners, hundreds of different vendors. We get all the latest and the best tech in the world right into the arms of all our partners here in Australia and New Zealand.
Data has undergone tremendous amounts of growth in the last 3 to 5 years. We're a complex team in the way that we've got lots of different vendors, lots of different files, and lots of other teams that we're working with. It's been an absolute game changer to have Copilot give me a picture of what's happening in a specific area that's grounded in our entire business. And as we've become more complex and as our business has evolved, it's broken down the silos between the information in our business, and it's made it accessible, and it's helped accelerate our velocity.
I have hundreds of different meetings each week. With my Copilot, I just go through the summary of all the meetings, and it's so good, and it summarizes in time, live. It feels like I've actually attended the meeting myself. As any C-level executives, I had a fear of missing out on a very important information. I don't have the fear anymore. That fear is gone.
Copilot doesn't allow people to see anything they wouldn't have permissions to see. What it does do, though, is a really good job of finding the things that probably aren't meant to be there. Now that Copilot can help you find them, we find the data and we secure it appropriately so that people who shouldn't have access to it and shouldn't be sharing it can't.
I'm a seller of technology. I have to be customer zero. So I have to be the living proof that I actually use the products or the solutions that I take to market. Copilot has changed dramatically in the way I work. What I used to do in 2 to 3 days doing research, analyzing spreadsheets, summarizing documents, doing the right prompts in Copilot really saved a lot in terms of how I build my presentations.
Copilot is like having a brainstorming partner that really never runs out of ideas. You can feed it a concept and then it'll help you build and evaluate that concept in line with, what your customer data is telling you to ensure that your content output is fresh and, most importantly, relevant.
Everybody wants one thing, is to do more with less. And I think AI doing just that. We're embracing it, we're loving it, we're using it and making us a better partner to all our partners.